Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com, and today I'm bringing you guys with me to Hobby Lobby, and I have a basket full of goodies. I'm currently waiting for them to finish marking down the scrapbooking section because one of my Hobby Lobbies had it marked down and this one does not. Part of it already is, so I picked up those things. And I'm going to take you around and show you a little montage of what they have left here, because some of the piles are already picked over, but I'm going to show you guys, give you a little inside sneak peek about what Hobby Lobby has, and I'll do another mini haul in this video as well. We've got some letter stickers. These are some really cute glitter stickers. Some Christmas stuff too. Sorry to make anyone sick, but they have a lot of Christmas clearance, all brands. Jolie's Boutique and Easter stuff and Valentine's Day stuff as well. Look at how cute these Heidi Swapp words are. Some border stickers, paper house products. More Christmas. Easter, Valentine's Day. Me and my big idea is Soft Spoken is mostly on sale. A lot of this product is. We also have some licensed items on sale. Captain America, Superheroes, Secret Life of Pets, and then I already picked up one of these Disney ones. Again, all the soft spoken stuff's on sale. Here's a broader picture of what you might want to look at. And these adorable wooden pieces, some of them are on sale. I picked up one, and you'll see that in my haul later, but I put one of these in my basket. Heidi Swapp stuff on clearance, the Marquee collection. These are $2 for the small letters and $4 for the large. We've got some fabric flowers over here on clearance. Some little tags and bags and envelopes in the stationery section near the stamping supplies. Mostly Paper Studio brand. 75 cents for most of these tags. And we also have some doilies left at this location and cutouts and resin pieces. This is a lot of stamps. So here's a couple close-up ones. I'm just going to kind of swing by them. Hopefully you don't get sick, just so you can see some prices in comparison if you really want to know what's here. Some of these sentiments are really cute, like that friendship one, some love ones. I didn't pick up any wooden stamps, I don't think, yet. All the alphabet stamps. Happy birthday sentiments, lots of those. Really cute ones too. Banner pieces, confetti, big stamps as well were on clearance, like the recipe card, map, suitcases. Look at these cameras. And the adorable animal section. Hard to resist some of these guys. Owls. These papers are also on clearance, the rolled versions. Didn't pick up any of those. The moment you've all been waiting for, the die section. We have Sizzix and larger Sizzix stamp and cut sets. Spellbinders sets here. Lots of cute ones. Some smaller sets. There's also some larger sets of Spellbinder dies. Some background dies. And there's some Desire dies. Disney dies were also on clearance. Not all of them, just a couple of them. Some cute Distress ink finds. So after way too much time inside of Hobby Lobby, I'm finally done and got my bag of goodies over there. I
didn't buy everything I originally had in my basket. I tend to do that. I tend to go fill my basket with a bunch of good deals and then put half of it back, because I know I'm like, well, this kind of looks just like this, and this I already have sort of, kind of, and the project I wanted to use this on, it doesn't really work well. So I'm really good at unjustifying my purchases, but I still managed to spend a lot of money, but great deals nonetheless. Everything was on clearance, and I'm going to show you guys everything when I get home. So hey everyone, so I'm back from Hobby Lobby now, and I wanted to share with you guys what I picked up in my second round of going to a different Hobby Lobby. They didn't have everything clearanced out by the time I left. I was there long enough and I wanted to go home, but I did wait so they clearanced out the distress inks, because that's what I was really waiting for. I made a montage of everything before, as you guys saw, so you guys know what mine had on clearance. I know mine didn't have a lot of inventory before they started clearancing, so there wasn't a lot to choose from to begin with, so I'm going to say that. But I still managed to pick up way too much stuff. Definitely didn't need this, especially since I was supposed to be on a spending freeze the entirety of January, and that definitely did not, I didn't make it to the end. But that's okay, we'll just keep going through February, and hopefully no more big clearance sales happen. So I'll start by picking out random things. I showed some of this in my basket, but the first thing I got was this Paper Studio Believe sticker. I wanted to use this in my Disney albums because it's perfect. And it's just a gold foam glitter sticker, 62 cents. I picked up these. These weren't at the first Hobby Lobby I went to, but these are some stickers from Momenta, and they have different gold patterns. As you can see, some have little stars, some have big stars, but these were $1, and you get 30 stars. The other shapes were not on clearance, but those ones were. I got some graduation stickers. I worked on a graduation album, but I still have to do my brother's graduation photos, so I thought these would be perfect. There's epoxy, I think. 57 cents, originally $2.99, by Sandy Lion. Really cute. Hopefully you can read them all. I know there's a little bit of glare. I'm just going to go through these really fast because there's tons of videos out there. I just want to show you guys in person what Hobby Lobby had, as well as what they had, what I actually picked out. These tags were 75 cents. I only like the pastel colors, but they did have other colors, again from the Paper Studio. I picked up some Me and My Big Ideas soft spoken stickers. A lot of these types of stickers were on sale. I tried to show you guys a lot of them, but it's really awkward to film in public, especially when there's employees around. So I thought this would be fun for my vacation album. I picked up a gift, one of these small Heidi Swapp marquee letters, $2 for the small ones. I believe the big ones were $5. That's a guess. I showed you in the video, I just don't remember off the top of my head. So definitely a great deal, and it comes with the lights in it as well as the little bulbs to make it cute. So I picked up the E. The last section that I stayed for clearancing out was the Tim Holtz section. They didn't have any of these at the first store, which are the quote chips, and there's 58 in here. I would open them up, but I don't know how I'm going to store these yet, so I think I'm going to keep the package intact. But here's some of the other ones. As you can see, shine brightly. So these are like the word stickers, except larger and chipboard. So really love those for $1.25. I picked up the matching Paper Studio craft sacks. So these tags fit perfectly inside these little sacks, and they come in the same exact colors. So these will be great for some Easter projects, I think. And again, 75 cents for 20 bags and 16 tags. I picked up these Momenta stickers as well. There were a couple sets of these wood veneer stickers on clearance, but not a lot of them. I think Christmas was the other ones that were on clearance. But this is what they look like, $1.25. I would rather pay $1 for these, but at least they're wood veneer, so it's a little bit more substance than a regular sticker. And now we're getting into some fun stuff. I picked up one thing from the Valentine's Day section since it was on sale, and it's these resin arrows and hearts. You can never go wrong with a bunch of resin pieces, so these were on sale, and I got those. A couple more things before we get into the dyes and inks. I got some more of these, what they call gemstones, but they're enamel dots. These are the plain turquoise ones. I've never seen them just have a plain color together until these ones went on clearance, so I'm really glad I found those, as well as the red and green ones in my other haul video if you haven't seen that yet. Definitely check that out. So I think we're going to move on to the distress inks. These are the only distress inks mine had on clearance. The other kinds were still regular price. And I've got
I don't know what numbers these are. Number 10 and number 11. I have 8 distressings because I bought in 2 of these before, but these are colors I do not have, except tea dye. I have the large version of tea dye, but that's okay. So there's these 8. Can you guys read the names? I hope you can. Really excited to work with these. Pastels will be great for some Easter cards, and I'm glad to have some other green colors so I can work on some other ground and nature designs. And then we have dies and embossing folders. I picked up one embossing folder. It was this one from Tim Holtz Alterations Collection, and it was $1.25 for this texture fade. And it's the size of an A2 size card. Really pretty. I believe this one's called Leafy. So, really like this one. There were a couple other ones on clearance as I showed you guys. I picked up one Sizzix Thinlit. I think the dies are still super expensive. I don't do a lot of die cutting, but I figured the thanks would be the best kind. Here's what all the dies that come in the set. It says there's 4 dies, which doesn't make sense to me because it shows me like 8 here, but it's because some of them are attached here. So there's 1, 2, 3. This one goes down pretty far, and 4. So there are 4 dies, but they cut out a lot more images in that little section, as you can see. So kind of everything that's on this card except the circles, these little bits. So really excited to have a thank you. It's a pretty good size. I'd say like 3/4 of an inch tall at the tallest and a couple inches wide. So that's a great find. And then I splurged on a couple of the Spellbinders dies. I've never had a cover plate die, and that's essentially what this one is. $5 for this kaleidoscope one. I could see myself doing a lot of backgrounds with this. They had 2 on clearance. I don't like how this isn't the size of a card, but the ones that were sizes of a card, an A2 size card I should say, were $7.50 I believe, and I did not want to pay that much, so I picked out this one instead of the wagon wheel one. And lastly, I've been wanting a die set like this for so long. I love the little wreaths. This one was $5, and it's a shapeability set, and you get 5 pieces, so you get 2 wreaths, 2 flower, well this one might be one flower set, 1 branch, and then little blooms to stack on top. But this is absolutely huge. First off, I can't wait to use this on some scrapbook layouts as well, but this is the biggest die, again for cards and scrapbooking. And then the other dies, here's the smaller wreath, perfect for card size, and then a couple of other little bits. So you have this little stem, which really fun for layouts and cards, and then a couple of other pieces which will layer nicely together. But that's it for my second round of Hobby Lobby. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul as well as the tour around my little Hobby Lobby. Not my favorite Hobby Lobby. The other one was definitely my favorite Hobby Lobby, which is quite, well, not farther away, but it's out of the way. But if you haven't checked out my previous Hobby Lobby video, definitely go check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what you guys got in the comments down below. I'd love to see it. But I'm really excited to use these new goodies, and you'll see them in videos soon. So if you want to see how I use these dyes or these inks, definitely subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!